air conditioner. It's wild.
Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. We're embarking on a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. We'll be stopping at New Orleans Square, Mickey's Toontown, and Tomorrowland. We'll also visit the Grand Canyon and make a trip back in time to the primeval world and the age of the dinosaurs before returning to Main Street Station. As we begin our journey, remember that for a safe trip, you need to stay seated. It seems peaceful through here, but trust me, it's a real jungle out there, literally. So be on the lookout. You just never know what might be lurking along the rails. Just ahead is New Orleans Square. This station also serves Frontierland and Bayou Country. If you'll be leaving us here, please remain seated until the train comes to a complete stop. Then watch your step as you're getting on.
As we approach New Orleans Square Station, please remain fully seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. New Orleans Square Station is also your stop for all attractions in Adventureland, Frontierland, the Bayou, and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Again, please do not stand until the train has fully stopped motion inside the station. Thank you and welcome to New Orleans. Our next stop is Toontown Depot.
To those just joining us, welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're now entering the Bayou, home to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Take a sneak peek at the big party Princess Tiana is throwing, where the welcome is warm, the music is hot, and the company is sweet as honey. Comes to sweetness, the inhabitants of the land we're passing over are the bee's knees. Here in Bayou Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Louis the Alligator, and other beloved critters on their fun-filled adventures. As we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining up with the Rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. There is the revered Indian shaman, sharing his stories with those in the Great River Valley below.
Please remain fully seated at all times, no standing while the train is moving. Thank you.
Well, since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams, and the stories that went with them, were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable. Like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness. signals our transition from the Frontier to another kind of ear, the ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown, the cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of your favorite Disney animated characters and stories. If you're leaving us here,
as we make our approach into Toontown Depot, this is your reminder to remain fully seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop inside the station. Toontown Depot is your stop for all attractions in Mickey's Toontown and Fantasyland, including It's a Small World and the Matterhorn. Again, please do not stand until the train has fully stopped motion inside the station. Thank you and welcome to Toontown. Arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Supervise your children. They also must be fully seated at all times and away from the edges of the bench and the train openings. Our next stop is Tomorrowland Station.
with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. We're now steaming forward into the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 month.
Please have your children fully seated, either on your lap or on the bench, please. Fully seated.
Higher Western Hemisphere, gliding above Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
As we make our approach into Tomorrowland Station, this is your reminder to remain fully seated until the train has fully stopped inside the station. Tomorrowland Station is your stop for all attractions found in Tomorrowland, including the monorail, which you can take to downtown Disney. Again, please do not stand until we've come to a full stop. Thank you and welcome to the future. How small children sit away from the edges of the bench and the train openings. Our next stop is Main Street Station, but on the way there we will be taking a detour through the Grand Canyon and Primeval World. While in there you are welcome to take photos and videos, but please turn off your flash, turn off any video lighting, and turn off any light-up toys or accessories as a courtesy to those around you. Thank you.
To those who have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs. We're now returning to our own time.
As we make our approach into Main Street Station, this is your reminder to remain fully seated until the train has come to a full and complete stop. To my friends exiting with strollers or wheelchairs, please be advised that this is a stairs-only station. There are no ramps and there are no elevators. Again, please do not stand until the train has come to a full stop. Thank you and welcome to Main Street.